Das hier ist offiziell die absurdeste Demo, die je für ein Spiel gemacht wurde. Ich dachte halt zuerst, okay, bisschen Demo, bisschen spielen und dann Paywall. Und dann war es auch direkt schon wieder. Aber ich kann einfach ewig spielen und das kostet...
The sea is still, the sky is fire. Our hearts are bound by pure desire to see new lands, to face the deep, to wake the gods that never sleep, to burn with faith, to never tire. Each order, each wave of breath, each crest a dance with life and death, the salt, the blood, the fear, the flame, all merge into the same old game of glory won, of sacred death. The horizon burns, the heavens scream, our sails are torn by God's own dream. Yet still we sail, yet still we fight, through endless day, through endless night. The sea of iron shall redeem.
Tell me where you need me.
And when we reach that distant shore, our ships will rest, our hearts no more, but still the waves will chant our song. The sea remembers all along the iron souls that came before.
Glad it's my home.
He walks alone through iron flame. No tribe remains.
What news do you bring?
No kin, no name. His axe is dull, his voice is torn, but in his eyes the gods reborn, the last of war, the last of fate. His breath is smoke, his heart a scar.
Let's gather some more herbs
He's
from the forest.
followed none, yet come so far. His spirit fed by rage and law. He bears his faith,
I feel it's going to
he
be a good day.
bears his cross, and finds his
I look
home
forward to your commands.
beneath the stars. He roars to sky, his cry shake beneath his tread. The heavens weep for those long dead, yet still he stands. The world is gone, the twilight burns, the day undone. He bows but never bows his head. When morning comes, no soul remains, but echoes through the frozen plains. A whisper carried in the frost of one who falls and never lost. The last
Hello, how can I help you?
still remains. Circles in the storm, its cry a prayer, its flight a form. It calls to those whose hearts are true, whose souls are fire, whose blood is blue, to rise again in battle sworn. Ships cut the silver tide, their dragon heads with fury glide. The drums of war, the God's own roar, awaken strength forevermore. The slain are stars, the night can't hide. Embrace, we carve our fate in time and space. No coward leaves, no tyrant reigns. When blood of kings runs through our veins, the North will never lose its faith. A blade of ice, a heart of flame. The wind still whispers Odin's name. Through every wave, through every storm, we find rebirth in battle's form. Immortal.
Morning, friend. Mind the mud on the path.
The endless game. When ravens rest upon our pyre, they'll feast beside the sacred fire, and in the smoke our spirits climb beyond the reach of mortal.
Work, lads, we need to make this place look better.
Through halls of song
Who's up for a break after this?
and steel desire.
Das könnte das entspannteste Spiel aller Zeiten
With
sein.
more houses,
Erschaffen
we
von
could
einem
make a
kleinen
small
Team aus
city there,
Deutschland,
don't you
angetrieben
think?
von einem einfachen Traum. Spieler aus aller Welt mit Spielen aus ihrer Region erfreuen. Auch kleine
They walk where storms and silence meet, with silver blades and steadfast feet. Their braids of fire, their hearts of steel. They fight with fury none can feel, and carve their names in fate's DC. The mountains echo with their cry. Their eyes reflect the northern sky. They heal, they kill, they never kneel. Their will unbent, their souls unveil. The glory never truly dies. In halls of gods, their voices soar. They guard the gates forevermore, while mortal men in fear may hide. The daughters flee, the roaring tide, their laughter louder than the through endless cold their banners flame. Each carries one forgotten name. The mother's blood, the sister's dear, the hymn of those who persevere. Through pain reborn, through death the same. And when the dawn returns again, they'll rise once more from hill and fen. The daughters of the north shall sing, their blades a crown, their hearts a ring of power born from gods and men. The dreams of those we've lost. Its howl commands a raging sky. It calls the brave, it calls the sly to rise again, no matter cost. Our banners blaze in crimson hue. Our shields reflect the morning dew. Each step a promise to the slain, each wound a mark of ancient pain. Yet every scar is on the truth. Go, go, go. The storm arrives, the drums ignite our eyes like stars in northern night. The clash of steel, the roar of flame. No fear, no doubt, no thought of shame. The gods themselves behold the sight. And when the snow begins to fall, the wolf will heed our final call. Through death we find our kindred kin. Through loss, the endless war within, we rise as kings beyond the wall. Our souls shall hunt through endless skies where frozen dawn and thunder lies. The wolf our guide, the storm our crown. No tyrant's hand shall strike us down. Our saga burns, it never dies. The wind that cuts the iron sky whispers tales where valor lies. Our sails are red with burning pride. The gods themselves our course will guide. Through frost and storm our spirits rise. Beneath the moon the steel will gleam. The wolf shall lull the women dream. We march through night, our breath is flame. Our glory carved in Odin's name. The earth shall echo every scream. From ancient blood, new kings are born. The mead shall flow, the shall sound. Where heroes fall, no grief is found. Their souls on wings of fire are sworn. No fear shall live within our chests. No man shall flee, no blade shall rest. We fight, we fall, we rise again. Through blood and wind, through rage and pain. For death to us a sacred gift. And flame, our sons will chant the Father's name. And as the ravens cross the sea, they'll sing of those who died as free. The North remembers whence we came. each drink a flame that burns the night. Immortal now, the sun's thereof. Dawn on Midgard shines. The gods look down on mortal lines. Through time and storm they still recall the warriors who dared it all and entered through Valhalla's sign. Sails beyond the world of Ned. The wind a hymn, the sea a tune. Yet through the ash the roses bloom. For death to us is not the same. The stars align, the oarsmen sing. Their voices to Valhalla ring. The smoke ascends, the ravens soar. We cross through every mortal shore to join the feast, the endless spring. Stands, his eyes alight. He sees the gods in burning night. He smiles, no fear, no tears remain. His blood runs gold, his soul unchained. He vanishes from human sight. Glows, the heavens flame. The sky itself recalls his name. The ship of fire fades from view, but leaves behind a dawn anew, a world reborn in war and fame. And when the children see the shore, they'll hear our voices evermore. sound through mist and snow, our souls unbound. The needles blaze beyond the stars, where golden shields erase our scars. An ancient song of kings resound. No chains can hold the sons of frost, no mercy shown, no battle lost. Each wound a tale, each death a flame, each whisper bears a hero's name, and glory pays the final call. We leave the earth, we leave the pain, to join the gods, their fierce domain, where endless dawn and storm collide. We drink with Odin, laugh with Thor, and sing the hymns of ancient war. The skies ignite, the stars ignite, our souls reborn in death's pure light, immortal now, forevermore. And as the world of men shall fade, our spirits guard the path we made. Through fire, frost, and ocean foam, we watch the north, our hallowed home, where Valhalla's call will never shade. He guards the flame. sacred fire deep within, that none may steal, that none may change. The wolves of war, they circle near her. Their breath is ice, their hearts sincere. They guard the weak, they slay the vile, they roam the world 1,000 miles. Through ages lost, they still appear. When twilight falls on Asgard's hill, shall guard the silent still. Their crowns of bone, their hearts of flame, each owl a prayer, each kill a name for those who fought and never will. The blue winds rise where eagles soar. They call our names forevermore. Through ice and mist, through storm and pain, they lead us back to home again, to shores of blood and sagas low. They whisper tales of ships and fire, of hearts that froze yet not grew tired. They carry songs of steel and snow, of men who fell yet would not bow. Their breath a hymn, their voice entire. The sails are torn, yet still they fly through crimson dawn and silver sky. The north wind hums a sacred tone of all the kings the world has known. Their echoes never truly die. Doors of fjords and roars of pine, the winds recall the gods' design. Each gust a rune, each storm a sign, that even death can break the line of blood eternal, fierce, divine. And when the night descends once more, the winds return to every shore, to wake the hearts of those who dream of northern fire and icy gleam, and guide them back to gods of yore. who died to keep us free. Their voices ride the ocean wind. Their eyes and stars shall not rescind. Their fire will burn eternally. The shore is dark, the tide is red. The ships of ghosts sail overhead. Their banners torn, yet spirits bright. They sail into the endless night, to where the fearless never bled. Their names engraved in iron stone, their tales in hearts forever known. No storm can wash their glory clear, for every age shall keep them near. Through whisper, prayer, and battle's tone. And when the young take sword in hand, they'll hear the call across the land. The hero song, the oath of flame. To fight, to fall, to rise the same. To guard the north, to make their stand.
So far, we're doing great work, don't you think?
I feel it's going to be a good day.
The village is looking better and better.
The ashes drift, the world is still. The sea sighs low beneath the hill. Yet through the fog one ember glows. The fire of gods forever flows through hearts of those with iron will. Our faith is steel. The saga lives when fear is none. The mountains watch, the waves collide. death may speak. Shall break and all is done, we'll rest beneath the frozen sun, and through the waves our echoes soar, forever bound, forevermore. The fjord shall call, our journey's one. Upon the peak where lightning sleeps, a lonely throne the silence keeps. No man has sat, no king has dared. Its frost too cold, its weight to bear. Yet still the mountain waits, and we, the ancient runes are carved in stone. They whisper names the world has known. The thrones of ice, the crowns of flame, the endless cycle, blood and name. Each born to rule, but die alone. Biting air, his breath a prayer, his gaze a stare, his heart a storm, his blade a vow to claim the crown the gods endow, and sit where none before was there. He grasped the arms of frozen might, his veins ignite with blinding light. The sky collapses, time stands still. The frost obeys his mortal will. He rises, Lord of endless night. But even kings must turn to dust. The frost consumes, the sword shall rust. The throne remains for once more, to test the strength that came before, to rule in fire and die in trust.
Square Enix hat auf dem Fanfest einen ordentlichen Hammer rausgehauen. Das musst du wissen, wenn du Final Fantasy XIV jemals antesten wolltest. Seit dem 28. April 2026 fliegt Shadowbringers in die kostenlose Testversion. Heißt, du kannst Final Fantasy XIV bis Level 80 komplett gratis zocken. Das ist kein Witz. Kurz für alle, die noch nie etwas